continue to look for answers from Holly Hill Hospital after escapes, uncovering years of violations, and hearing concerns from patients and parents. Today, we reached out to state lawmakers, advocacy groups, and the Department of Health and Human Services with one question: who's going to be accountable for this? WRAL's Heidi Kirk is live now at Holly Hill Hospital in Raleigh. And Heidi, sounds like a lot of people are asking this question.
Deborah, in fact, we've spoken with more than 70 people that have a connection to the facility behind me since we started reporting this back in March of this year. Now, every story is different, but one thing that is all the same: they're all asking for accountability.
I don't feel like my child is safe there.
I don't think that they're operating in a safe way.
They basically sent home a ticking time bomb.
We've heard from patients, parents, current and former employees, even high-ranking executives, all of them sharing the same message about Holly Hill's mental health care.
You're painted one picture, and then when you get in, it's definitely different.
We've reached out to Holly Hill Hospital multiple times, sometimes receiving statements rejecting almost every claim, and sometimes receiving no response at all. Yesterday, we followed up with more questions after they sent us this statement after our reporting uncovered years of the same violations. We asked, quote, "Can you provide more information about how the most recent corrective action plans are more thorough to keep the same violations from happening again? And, quote, what is the facility doing to ensure every patient has a timely master treatment plan, that it's updated when necessary, and that discharge procedures are following according to guidelines?" We have still not received a response. We also brought our concerns to 15 state lawmakers, asking them to review our reporting and to help us find solutions for parents. We are still waiting to hear back from them. As the weeks and months go by, those with firsthand experiences of Holly Hill just want answers.
I just think they need to be held accountable for what they're doing. You've got families at stake, not just the patients itself. You're putting families in jeopardy.
And Deborah, we did reach out to the Department of Health and Human Services. That's the agency that oversees facilities like Holly Hill. We had questions about how they oversee that facility, and they responded that when there is a violation that comes out of here, they do show up unannounced to re-inspect the facility to make sure it's corrected. Now, they did not address our request for an interview. Heidi Kirk, WRAL News, Raleigh.